Newton's forward difference formula. Example: given the following table of values, use Newton's forward difference formula to estimate f dash 1.0. X, the value of x is given, the value of f of x is given. You know the initial value is x naught, the function value is f naught, and second value is x1, this is f1. Same process x2, x3, x4. Solution: we will use Newton's forward difference formula for the first derivative at the beginning of the table. Step 1, forward difference table. Let's denote h equal to 0.1. Since x is increased by 0.1, f naught means the initial value x naught is given 1.0. Same f1, x1 is 1.1 and etc. Let's build the forward difference table. Now the value of x is given in questions and the f of x is given in questions. Now you can see here, you write forward difference table, forward square f, forward f, power 3f, and power 4, same, power 5, power 6. Now we will start initial step. You can see here 3.0042 minus these numbers, then we get these values. Now second step, 3.3201 minus 3.0042, then we get 0.3159. On the next step, 3.6690 minus 3.3201, then we get 0.3489. Same process in the last step, 4.0552, we will minus these numbers 3.6690, then we get this. You must be remember, we will start this number minus this number, we get this number minus this number, we get, and this number minus this number, we get this number minus this number, we get. Same process we will start. Now second number is given 0.3159. We will minus 0.2859, then we get 0.0299. Same process. 0.3489, we will minus from this number 0.3159, then equal to 0.0289. After third, 0.3862, we will minus 0.3489, then we get 0.0282. Now you can see here this number is given 0.0289, we will minus from not from these numbers minus in this number. Then we get, first you write this number, then you write minus sign, then you write this number equal to this number. Same process in the final step. First you write this number, then minus sign, then you write this number, then we simplify, we get 0.0003. This is a double forward difference. Step 2, Newton's forward difference formula for derivative. For the first derivative at x naught, the formula is, you must be remember this formula. In every questions we put the values. You now f dash is the first derivative. The value of x naught is 1.0. In the questions is given, and 1 upon h. 1 upon h, the value of h is 0.1. The difference of x. Now back same you write forward difference, the value we will put these values, and minus sign we write same. 1 upon 2 you write same. In a table given, in from the table you write the value of forward difference square, you write these values. Then plus sign is given, then you write same plus sign. 1 upon 3 is given, then you write 1 upon 3. Then you can see here in a table which you make in previous slide. Then you write values according to formula minus 1 upon 4, you write same. Then fourth value you write same. After the putting these formula values, then we will simplify. 1 divided by 0.1, then we get 10. You write same number, minus sign you same. This number divided by 2, then you get this number. And this number divided by 3, you write this number. You can see here plus minus minus sign. Now we will divide this number from 4. Then you write here. Now you can see here we simplify all values. First, and you write same. 0.2859 you write same. Now 1, 2 and 3. Three values are in a negative. First we will add, then you write here. Now you can see here these values are positive and these values are negative. Now you minus this number, then you get. You can see here dot is show for multiplications. Then 10 multiplied by this number, the final answer you get 2.7054. The answer is f dash 1.0. Okay, take care.